welcome back to the new video. In this video, I'm going to tell you the conversion rate of Amazon Associates program on their products. How much the percentage of amount you can get after you made a sale with your affiliate link. In Amazon Associates program, we have fixed advertising rates and also we have another type of fixed advertising fee, but that actually changes every time. Now we first discuss about the fixed advertising rates of products. Let's get started. Firstly, at 9% we have kitchen appliances, kitchen and houseware products, furniture and outdoor products. At 8% we have grocery and pantry products. At 6% we have baby care products, automotive, lawn and garden, sports related products. Next, at 5% there are a lot of products available under this conversion rate. Here the products are. All these products displayed on the screen can get a 5% of conversion rate after you made a sale with your affiliate links. Actually, they have divided the conversion rate from 9% to 0.2%. So next, at 4% we have mobile accessories, musical instruments. At 2.5% we have bicycle and heavy gym equipments, tires and rims and some other related products. At 2% of conversion rate we have data storage devices, and at 1% we have mobiles. Now this time we are getting this fixed conversion rate on mobiles. And the last product the products are gold and silver coins. On these we get 0.2%. All the remaining products and on all the remaining products we will get up to 5%. They have mentioned in the last of the list in their advertising fee schedule. Now let's come to another category of advertising fee rates in Amazon. The products, the percentage rates in this category always get changes. Every time it is changing. Now at number 1 there are some mobiles under the conversion rate of 0.5%. The mobiles are. Number 2, at 2.5% conversion rate there are some mobiles available and they are here. Number 3, the last one, at 1.5% conversion rate, still there are some mobiles and products under this section. The mobiles are. Another important point for you, there are some products which are excluded from Amazon Associates program. If you promote these excluded products, you cannot get any commission on these products. One more point here. These products are kept in excluded section only at some period of time, not permanent. Let's see the excluded products of Amazon Associates program as of now. I just wanted to give you the clarity about this fixed percentage rates of Amazon Associates program. And also I want to tell you one point. The percentage rates of products may get changed in the future. In the past, if we take in 2019, we have the highest percentage rate is up to 12%, and now from the mid 2022 now the highest rate is up to 9% only. Maybe in the future it may increase or decrease. I want to tell you, especially for beginners and who want to start Amazon affiliate marketing, this video is completely for you. You should understand the method and learn the things. You need patience to learn everything. No more deep in this video. At last, I want to show you the screenshot of fixed advertising rates from Amazon. Let's have a look at. If you have already registered in Amazon Associates program, you will see this chart in the advertising fee schedule option. Now let's make a quick recap. At start, I explained about the fixed commission rates at different percentage levels: 9%, 8%, 7%, up to 0.2%. After that, we discussed about excluded products and I have shown them clearly. Amazon Associates is a open free platform. Anybody can start, anybody can earn. So you can start at any time. And if you work on this, you will 100% you will get some money. So that's all for today. We will meet in the next video. If this video is really helpful to you, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please comment your opinion on this video. Stay tuned.